tuck you in or suck you in put together, but it's a shorter dress. So this little number, blah. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very exciting video. We're going to be doing yet again another Amazon haul, but this is going to be another Prime wardrobe haul, and we're specifically looking at dresses around $20 or cheaper, maybe $25 at the most. I honestly don't remember exactly how much all these were, but of course I'll put a picture up like I always do so you know the price and what they look like on the model. So that's basically what we're doing today in this video. So without further ado, let's get straight on into the video. Alright, so the first dress that I have to show you today is this little number right here. This has a pretty low neckline. It does have this nice band around here to kind of suck in at the waist. And then as you see, it kind of has like this wrap around effect where it has kind of like a loose flowy bottom. This is a very long dress. I'm gonna bet this goes pretty much to the floor. We won't know until we try it on, but there's a picture of the model for you and the price, of course, because I don't remember. But this is actually semi-thin material. It could be see-through, I'm not exactly sure. The stitching looks okay. There's a few like loose threads here and there. I got this in a size medium, and yeah, not much else to say about it. I want to see how long this is, if it goes to the floor, and if it's going to be see-through, because that would be a major problem. So let's try it on and see how it looks. Alright, so this is the first dress on, and it looks so cute, but this dress is extremely see-through. Now this is like, it's really bad. It definitely needs another layer of something lining underneath this. You can tell I have a black underwear on. You can see that perfectly clear. I have a black bra on. You can see that perfectly clear. It would be really cute, but it is so see-through. I don't think you can really get away with this in like any setting at all, unless you have like a lining or a slip or something that you can put underneath of this. It's just not gonna work. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but you can see I do have a black bra right under here. You can definitely see that. I can see that I have a black underwear on as well. Wanted to definitely test out the see-throughness of this, and it gets a huge fail. This is so see-through. It is so bad. The only way you can get away with this if you do have a slip that you can put underneath of here, but just as is, this is gonna get a thumbs down for me. It is extremely see-through. Alright, so the next dress is actually as well very long. I got this one in a small though, and this has a cute palm print all over it. I believe this one did come in a couple different colors as well, I believe. Oh, there's pockets in this one. That's fun. You know me, I love my pockets. So that's a huge plus for this. This is very long. I don't know if this one will quite reach the floor, but it might be almost there. Other than that, it's pretty simple, not too much to the neckline. It seems that it has a seam right here, but I don't know if it's really gonna tuck you in or suck you in, you know, make it look like you have a shape. Other than that, it's a very soft material. I love the material I use for this. It seems super comfortable and literally something you can just throw on, be comfortable with, and you still have pockets. So let's try this one on and see how it looks. Alright, so this is the second dress on. This literally goes all the way to my feet. Even like you can wear this with heels because it kind of drags a little bit. So this one is extremely long. I got this one in a small, and I could actually get away with like an extra small just because this is still pretty loose around here. Other than that, it is a very busy pattern. So this is not going to be like everyone's cup of tea. I know that. I personally would have rather liked maybe the top to be probably a plain white, and then the pattern be on the bottom. I think it's just extremely busy. It's not exactly what I would wear, but everything else, it's very comfortable. It is very practical. It's got pockets, which I really enjoy, and these are like deep pockets, like good, decent sized pockets. And the dress is quite long, so I personally would have to wear probably a wedge or something with these. Always, it probably would drag a little bit, and I'm about 5'4", just for reference, so I'm not extremely tall. So this does drag a little bit for me personally. So this kind of gets an in-between for me. I really like it, but I know not everyone's gonna like it just because the pattern is very busy. So if you don't like busy patterns, obviously this one's not gonna be for you. But if you don't mind the pattern, this is an extremely comfortable dress, and I say this gets a thumbs up. You should definitely try it out. Alright, so the next one I have to show for you is actually a little bit dressier. It's a little bit put together, but it's a shorter dress. It's this little number right here. It's a beautiful, like, royal blue. It has a cute little belt as well. I think this is adorable. You literally just like, wow. Yeah, never seen a belt like that actually. You kind of just like slide it in, slide it out. So this is a lot shorter. It's probably gonna be like mid-thigh length. I got this in a medium, and it kind of has like this nice chiffon fabric. And of course it is double layered because chiffons usually see-through. So it has a nice lining on the inside, and then the outside layer is chiffon, pretty sure. And it kind of has this cute detail in the front here where it's like pleated. So I think this is gonna be really cute, and I want to try this on, so let's get it on. Alright, so this is the next dress on. This has literally nothing wrong with it. I think it is super cute, and it's just super, I don't know what to call it. This one's really cute and kind of just looks all put together. I feel like it's kind of dressed up, but it's also not too formal. It's kind of somewhere in the middle. I like the belt that it has around it. It kind of gives it more of a country vibe instead of like a too formal or classy. The dress is made of chiffon, which is a little bit more on the formal side. I think the belt kind of gives it a little extra touch, cinches you in exactly where it needs to be. And the quality of this dress is honestly perfect. Nothing wrong with this besides the fact that it doesn't have pockets, but you know, most dresses don't have pockets, so not too hard about that. But other than that, this dress is literally perfect. Nothing wrong with this one. The back is super simple and plain, just looks like that. The only thing is there's no zipper on this one to get in or out of. You kind of just have to slip it over your head or something like that. And I did get a medium, which fits perfectly on me. So I give this dress a thumbs up. Absolutely love it. Perfect for any summer day. Alright, so the next dress I have for you is actually kind of really good for a dressed up work vibe. I feel like this would definitely be something you would see in an office more like that than a casual, you know, summer day. But you can wear whatever you want. I got this in a size 6, and this is the dress. This is a super simple, plain dress. The skirt is really cute, and it kind of ruffles out at the bottom here. Can't tell too much with just me looking at this. This one did come in a couple different colors, I believe, as well. So other than that, it is pretty straightforward. This definitely feels like it was made well. It's thick fabric. It has a nice zipper in the back all the way down. And yeah, I mean, this just gives me like work vibes for summer. So I thought this was really cute. It has a little seam here as well, so it gives it a little detail and separation from the top and bottom. So I think you'll be able to see that better when I try it on. So let's try it on. Alright, so this is the next dress on. Like I said, this one would be perfect for work. Definitely could see this in a professional setting. I think it's super cute. It's really simple and put together. I mean, you have basically the straight neckline, kind of has a little differential right here where it has a, I don't know, a stitch or a seam. And then it kind of has a Then it kind of hugs your figure a little bit, but not bodycon, it's not too tight. And then it kind of has this cute little loose frill at the bottom, which I think is super cute. Honestly, this one's pretty cool. I like the style of it. It does come in a couple different patterns, I believe, in colors. So you can always check that out on Amazon. But other than that, I think this is a really cute professional dress. Alright, so in the back it has a little zipper that goes all the way from the top to about right here. That's how you get in and out, because it does really hug your figure. 6 works absolutely perfect for me in this dress. I really like the look of it and the style. The pattern might not be my absolute favorite, but it does have different options, so I give this one a thumbs up. Definitely great if you're looking for a professional work dress. I give it a thumbs up. Alright, and the last dress is actually very similar to the previous dress. It's the same company. I got the same size. Of course, it's a different pattern, a little bit different color, and a little bit different detailing. So this is the dress. It has a different neckline where it kind of goes down into a V shape at the bottom. I think that's really cute, and also has a little tie to kind of cinch in the waist, which is amazing. I love having that cinched in look. It looks way more together. Other than that, it's made pretty much the same. They are the same company, so it's a thick material. It seems like really good quality. This one has a pocket as well, so plus for that. This is definitely something I could see like going to work in and stuff like that. It has pockets, it cinches you in, it has a cute neckline. It's not too revealing. Oh, look at that. So you can make it deeper. I didn't even see that. So it has this little hook here, so you can make the V just this, or you can have a deeper V. So whatever you want works for you. It does as well have a zipper all the way down in the back. So I think this is really cute. So let's try it on. Alright, and this is the last dress on. This one is literally like a home run out of the park for any business type of dress. This is definitely a great dress for working in the workplace professionally, or if you just like to get a little dressed up. This is definitely it. It has a V neckline right here, and you can button it up to make it a little bit less noticeable, so it's not as plungy. I love the tie here. I flipped it over so it's on the blue side. It does match the dress as well. I figured it kind of matched a little too much, and I like the look of having a little contrast in with the belt. You can tie it up, you can just knot it. I'm not good at making bows, so I'm not going to do that for you. This dress literally fits like a glove. I got a 6 yet again in this, and it fits absolutely perfectly. And this has a pocket, so I really don't know what else you could want in a dress. I think this is absolutely perfect. I love the shape, I love style. This does come in a couple different colors and patterns as well, and it's very simple in the back, nothing much to that. It's got a zipper that goes all the way from the top back down to here. Really, just really comfortable, really well put together. The style is absolutely perfect. It's got pockets, it's got belts, it's to cinch you in. It's got a little interesting neckline, and it definitely fits very well. So this one gets a thumbs up. Absolutely love it. Alright, so that has been me trying on these Amazon dresses for you today. These are all very summer-like dresses. Some of them can be really well worn in the workplace, some of them are more casual. But these are all fairly cheap off of Amazon Prime Wardrobe, and you can try it before you buy. So I really enjoyed the try before you buy option, just because I don't like to spend money and then have to wait for my return if I don't like the item. So I think Prime Wardrobe is the perfect option for you. This is not sponsored, by the way. I always forget that until the end to mention that this is not sponsored. Amazon doesn't know about me. I spent all of this, well, if I were to keep anything, this is all spent with my own money. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know down below what else you want to see. And don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and the bell notification so you're notified of every time that I post a brand new video. I will see you in the next one. Bye!